Let's bring in criminal defense attorney Jo-Anna Nieves. We're reaching the top of the hour, so we're going to slip in a break. Jo-Anna, what do you think about the direct of this first defense witness? Did he move the needle at all, do you think, for these jurors?
I actually don't think he moved the needle enough. I think that many times the jury is wanting you to kind of walk the dog all the way home. So, like, yes, ask a question, but ask the follow-up question so the jury can understand the why behind what you're asking, and don't assume that the jury really understands the direction that you're wanting them to follow. So I do think when we talk about incompleteness, not just with the evidence, but incompleteness in some of the testimony that was being elicited. And that is something that they're going to have to overcome.
Yeah, got a bit technical there at one point when he was really describing the different types of extractions and how he looked at it. And to your point, it seems that they're just trying to show that it's not complete, that there should have been more, and it could have helped them. How would you handle this on cross if you're the state?
Definitely talking about what actually was presented by way of any other experts that I may have put on the stand as the state, pointing out that the absence of evidence does not mean that it didn't exist, or that, it may have been that. I think really getting the jury to understand why there weren't any additional searches done and what that means for the state's case, that it wasn't a hide the ball thing, and really explaining what they were trying to get at with this expert's testimony. I don't think the state has a whole lot to do on cross-examination here, because I don't think, as I said, that the defense moved the needle much.
Great analysis. Thanks so much, Jo-Anna, for all of that. We have more of this testimony on the other side of the break.